Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America, I have a retail shop here. Today's video is going to be on the 770 QE, and if you've owned it before 2018, there's an upgrade. So to know if you need an upgrade or not, the screen needs to be the smaller type screen, and some of them will have already upgraded. If you don't know about it, there's a way to check, and I'm going to show you how to check with that. The other thing is it will not say plus. The PLUS will not be on the front of that. Plus usually come with a larger screen, but you can upgrade it to everything but the large screen by this upgrade. I really recommend it if you've got the older type. It adds one of the best functionalities it adds a triple stitch to any stitch you have on the screen. So if you did the honeycomb stitch and you hit triple stitch option, it'll be put three threads in every stitch. It's a nice, clean and bold look. It also gives you presser foot selection. Right now, the machine, if I press the presser foot icon, and if I press one of these, all it does is it gives me a description of what that does. So when you get the upgrade, you would press that and then select the foot, and the foot icon will register the new number, and it will restrict the machine functions to that foot. So if you put a number 4 foot on there, which is a zipper foot, it will not allow you to stitch in the middle, which would break needles. It would be a great protection device. So that's the easiest way to check to see if you need this upgrade. It's not inexpensive, but I really recommend it. Even if you don't embroider, it gives you many new stitches, like 200 new stitches. It gives you 2 new alphabets. So if you've had your 770 since 2018 or 17 or 15, you might like to refresh some of its functions. And if you embroider, it really adds a lot of embroidery features. So I'm going to flip this guy around. I happen to have about 20 of these upgrades ready to sell. So it adds more features. You actually get 2 accessories. You get the ruler foot, the 72S. Even if you don't do ruler work, it's a great free motion foot. And you get couching inserts for this foot, so you can couch with it. So some of the new sewing features, it adds 200 stitches, it triple stitches, foot selection function, and it has a new stitch regulator mode that lets you do a kickstart mode and basting mode. So there's a lot of options. You've got all of these options available with this new upgrade. So it's not really new. It's been around for quite a while. And I'm going to offer, if you purchase it and you cannot install it, you can purchase it and call me up, and we can install it over the phone. It takes about 20 minutes. And all you have to do is be in front of your machine with the phone, and we can insert the activation code. So it kind of goes like this. We go to settings, and then we would go to the sewing machine, and we would go to the wrench, and there's update option. Oops. So that's not where we want to go. I'm going to go one back. Here we go. One back. Maybe it's in information. Yeah. Come on, focus for me here. We would go to upgrade, and it would say activate. And once I have your machine number and ID, I go onto a website for you, and I would get an activation key. And when you put that activation key, and it gets recognized, and then your machine magically becomes a plus version. And it's really worth it. So if it's something that you're thinking about, check out my website. These are $599. That's MSRP. And you can call the shop to order it. You can go to my Shopify account, which is bernina-jeff.myshopify.com, and get it that way. It'll be free shipping from either place. So give us a call and that phone number would be 970-256-1293. And you can check out any other information by emailing me at jpvlefty@aol.com. All that information will be down in the description of this video. So again, it's packs your 770 and makes it just like the ones that are coming off the assembly line right now, except for the smaller screen. Thank you much.